This one's easy. Are you reading closely and looking? First R stands for read the question. Go to the beginning of the sentence. It says, which of the following represents the total number of visitors in expanded notation? Let's cross it off in the U2. Next R stands for read the details. A total of 7,561 people visited SeaWorld last Sunday. Let's cross it off. And let me circle some clues. I'm going to circle this important number, 7,561. And then I'm going to go to my question and circle which of the following represents. Remember that represents means shows the total number of visitors in expanded notation. So let's circle that. Our movement for that vocabulary word that we learned at the beginning of the year was expanded notation, because a number written in expanded notation is really long, just like all of the numbers in our answer choices. So let's cross off the C, let's cross off the L for label, 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 and I'm going to make my 3-step go on top of that grid paper right there, because that's where we're going to write our strategy. My main idea is going to be short, and it's going to say, which of the following shows the number? Because we just need to find one of these answer choices that matches and is the same as our number up here. Our number is the most important detail, so that's what I'm going to write in the details. 7,561. And now I need to plug all of this information into a place value chart, because whenever I have something talking about a big number, I know I'm going to have to use a place value chart. So I'm going to make one for A. And I know that the biggest place value here is the 10,000s place, so I need to make a place value chart that goes all the way to the 10,000s place. So I'm going to start here with the ones, and then I'm going to label the rest of them tens, hundreds, 1,000s, and 10,000s. Don't forget your comma. And now I'm going to look at what it tells me to plug into the place value chart. It says that there were 7 groups of 10,000. If I'm saying 10,000, then that means I need to go to the 10,000s place. And in the 10,000s place, I'm going to write that number 7. So let's plug it in. And then let's cross it out. Next one talks about 5 groups of 100. So I'm going to go to the hundreds place, and I'm going to write a 5. The next one talks about 6 groups of 10, so I'm going to the tens place and writing a 6. And the last one says 1 group of 1. That's the ones place, so I'm going to write a 1 there. It didn't say anything about the 1,000s place, so I'm just going to fill in a 0 there. And don't forget your comma. That number says 70,561. That does not match 7,561 because our number does not even have a 10,000s place. So cross it off. Let's make one for B now. In B, our biggest place value is 1,000, so I need to make it go all the way to the 1,000s place. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000s. Don't forget your comma. It says 7 groups of 1,000, so let me go to the 1,000s place and make 7 groups go there. Next one says 5 groups of 100, so let's go to the hundreds place and write a 5 there. Don't forget your comma. Next it's talking about 1 group of 10, so let's go to the tens place and write that number there. And then it says 6 groups of 1, so in the ones place, I'm going to write a 6. Let's see if that number matches. 7,516. Well, 516 is not the same as 561, so it's not B. Let's make one for C. In C, the biggest place value is 1,000 again, so ones, tens, hundreds, and 1,000. But don't forget your comma. First thing says 7 groups of 1,000, so in the 1,000s place, I'm going to write a 7. Don't forget your comma. Next, it says 5 groups of 100, so in the hundreds place, I'm going to write that 5. And then 6 groups of 10, so in the tens place, I need to plug in those 6 groups. And then it says one group of 1, so in the ones, I'm going to write a 1. This number is 7,561, and it does match 7,561, so that is my answer.